Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to merge multiple clips in CapCut. Now, if I open my app, you will see I have already opened a project in my CapCut. Now, to add multiple videos here, click on Overlay and Add Overlay. Go to your gallery and let's choose the same clip, add, and it will be added to the bottom of your original clip. But you can always click the video and can adjust it on your screen like this. And now you have your two screens merged on CapCut. You can always add multiple clips this way and edit them however you like. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.